Hello everyone, we have an unboxing today. So as you can see, I bought the Insta360 GO Ultra, one of the best, smallest POV action cameras, and let's see what's inside. So as you can see, this is the bundle. So it has a lot of accessories. Perfect. You ready? Wow. You can smell the freshness. This is the camera itself. It has this magnetic here we have a tripod, a mini tripod. This is a release mount, so you can just put the camera over here to mount it. And also we have a pivot stand. Now let's start with this bad boy. Let's see what's inside. Smell the freshness. Ta-da! Wow. It is such a beauty. As you can see, these are guys, and this is the camera itself. Beautiful. And it barely moves, like you can't even move it. The magnet is so strong. A mount, so you can just mount it to your hat. Yep, just like this. You can mount it to your hat or t-shirt or whatever. This is it. The magnet is pretty strong. And this is the case. This is where you can charge it. So the camera itself has around 70 minutes of battery, but with the case you have around 200 minutes. So it has this huge lens over here. Just like that. You can use it with or without the case. And this is the, wow, beautiful. This is it. In order to get it out, you just, whoa, just like that. It's a bit rough because of the magnets, but it goes like this, and you can take it out like that. This is also the cable. And this one's also for you around your neck, so you can put it. And you can adjust it in different ways. If you wanted to put it like this, put it like this. Let's start it. Go English. So here are all the languages. Next. Then we have to go through the App Store and check everything out. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Drop a like.